Hello everybody! Today I'm here to draw some stickers. I really have been wanting to draw some caterpillar stickers for a while, like cat or pillar. Yeah, it's hilarious. But yeah, it's a lot more silly than what I usually draw. This isn't my usual type of style. It's a lot more cartoony. But I was just in the mood to draw this. I think it's cute. The voices in my head were telling me to do it, so yeah, apologies if you can hear my laptop literally taking off in the background. Every time I run my video editing software, it just kind of goes nuts, but it's okay. I hope it's not too distracting. I'm probably not going to chat for the entirety of this video because I don't really know what to talk about. I mean, I'm just drawing silly cats that are also caterpillars, and it's actually, now that I look at it, low-key a little bit cursed, like they look a little funny, but yeah, I like them. They're my silly little guys. I didn't include the sketching process because I don't usually record when I sketch because I really need to be in proper flow state when I draw, and I find that recording kind of takes me out of that state. It just distracts me, and it's even worse when I'm like halfway through recording and then I look back at my phone and I see that it's stopped recording halfway because I ran out of storage and all of that fun stuff. I think that happened about 4 times while I was recording this video. So even if I delete my entire camera roll, I still don't think I think I'd still need space. But anyways, I've been debating for a while if I even want to kind of continue making YouTube videos. Like, if you look at my channel at the moment, it's kind of just like a mishmash of the past 2 or 3 years of when I was in the mood to make vlogs or wanted to record time lapses or stuff. I was never really taking it super seriously. It was kind of just for fun, and I think it still is kind of just for fun for me. But I have like a lot of separate projects I'm working on, so I was thinking, do I want to add YouTube to that plate? And the answer was yes, because I actually realized like there's some videos in future that I want to make that I think might help people. No, Toulouse! Sorry, my cat is like obsessed with my chair and with scratching the ever-living shit out of it, and I don't know how to stop her. There's this spray called footsack spray that's supposedly like the smell is supposed to repel them. Oh no, it hasn't really been helping at all, but that's an issue for another day. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I want to come back to YouTube because there's videos that I want to make that I think people might find helpful, like art tutorials and just my opinion on things. And people in the internet, I don't know if it's like a human gene or human trait where we just like to share our opinions with random people, but I have opinions also that I would like to share. Whether I will in the future or not, who knows. But yeah, I realized so far this video is literally just me talking a load of rubbish. Like, I don't think I've said a single thing of value in this video so far. But sometimes it's nice to just have a voice in the background chatting, to fill the void of emptiness. Please clear up some disk space. Well, it looks like while I'm editing, I've run out of storage on my computer. It just seems storage is an issue with me. I'm a digital hoarder, for those of you who don't know. I just really struggle to delete things, and that has bled into everything, and I always run out of space. So I guess before I continue editing this video, I need to clear up some space on my laptop. I don't know what I'm going to delete. I just downloaded the new Monster Hunter Wilds. But that wasn't even like that big. It was 60 gigs, which I guess is kind of big. I don't know. Okay, never mind. I know what the problem was. So I studied game development for 3 years, and I never once deleted any of my projects that I worked on. And that means like Unity files, Blender files, video files, just a lot of big, hefty files that have been chilling on my desktop for the past 3 years, taking up all my space. I don't know why I never thought, let me delete this. Now I'm graduated, so I don't need that stuff ever again, so bye-bye. Now I have space, well, a little bit more space. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna shut up now, so cue random royalty-free ambient music to play for the rest of this video.